Will you be filling your prescriptions on TrumpRX.com? President Trump just launched his own prescription drug initiative, TrumpRX, a direct-to-consumer platform that promises to drastically cut the cost of medications for Americans.
Other countries are paying a fraction of what we pay for the same exact drug, same exact pharmaceutical, everything. And I said, no, it's not right. And the drug companies actually came along.
The new TrumpRX website will allow Americans to buy select medications directly with cash. No insurance or middlemen involved. It's all part of Trump's broader effort to take on Big Pharma and reshape how Americans access affordable medicine. RFK Jr., standing alongside Trump, praised this move.
Today we begin to right that ship for the mother trying to help her child get better, for a grandmother at the pharmacy counter, and for millions of Americans who want to restore their health. Today is about another promise made by President Trump and another promise kept by President Trump to the American people.
Dr. Oz also chimed in.
We're going to finally deliver on the fair drug prices that President Trump has been speaking about for 2 terms. We're going to celebrate this historic day, I predict, this historic day in the medical field for generations to come.
So what's behind all of this? Well, back in May, Trump signed an executive order reviving the, quote, most favored nation policy, which ties U.S. drug prices to the much lower costs seen in other countries. Then in August, he sent letters to at least 17 pharmaceutical companies demanding they cut prices or face consequences. Just last week, Trump announced on Truth Social that a 100% tariff on all branded or patent pharmaceutical products unless drug makers shift production to the U.S. In other words, lower your prices or bring your factories home. The White House's rapid response team released some stunning data. U.S. prices for brand name drugs are 422% higher than these other countries. And companies are already responding. A deal with Pfizer has been struck to reduce prices on several of its medications, offering discounts between 50% and 100%. Pfizer also agreed to sell all new medications in the U.S. at the reduced most favored nation rate and invest $70 million into reshoring manufacturing and U.S.-based R&D. Now, what does this mean for you? Well, it's a little too early to say whether TrumpRX will completely disrupt traditional pharmacies, but one thing is clear. The president is betting big on changing the system. Between direct-to-consumer sales, steep tariffs, and pressure on Big Pharma, this could make a major shift in how Americans get their medicine and just how much they pay for it. The site is expected to launch in early 2026.